bag of marshmallows. Not the squashy ones, though, so no money. Shit. Huh? I'll open the door, take the marshmallows and shut the door. Cute, but then when she sees me, she goes, no Cam. Okay. I did not know I will not let him go. Let him go. Will not let you go. Let him go. For me. Do you think you can love me? And leave me to die. Cam versus the line. It's gonna be over here, isn't it? So like right round it. I want to be on it. You know what I mean? So there, isn't it? That. I think it's just that one stone guy, wasn't it?
What, and leave that other big one in?
What big one? No, I'll get that.
Is it treasure? What could it be, Cam?
Massive stuff.
What is it? We found a chest. Is it a chest? It's going all the way that way, isn't it? It's just a stone, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Unfortunately, no treasure today.
Cam's Cam.
It's Cam. Hey Cam,
Hey, Josh.
where have you been, Cam?
Making another mix, mate.
Make a mix, mate. You are.
Oblong.
An oblong.
I don't know what shape would you be.
You being serious?
You're almost like my dad.
But you, but mate, I am building as well. Like, you know what I mean? I'm like, I'm talking to you as well as, you know, thinking. What was I saying? What was you?
You was going to do something.
When?
I don't know.
Oh. Oh, hello, look at it, look. That's a beautiful one.
I don't know, you didn't get that far in the conversation.
Shut up. Just 1 minute, let me get this done. Do you know what I mean? I have to have the square bit, I don't know why. It really gets to me if I don't have it. I had a stone. There it is.
I don't know if you noticed, mate, it's quite a lot.
Oh, here we go, here we go. You realise, Josh, you know stone. Do you know what I mean?
Did you fill in that part that you pointed out this morning?
Oh, do you know what I didn't? Got to do with it. Was the good friends and more. Cam, it's like digging into my hand, mate.
Digging into your hat?
Yeah. Sharp bit.
Not knowing where it is.
Well, I feel like I can though. You bring your tools into work and then they just go. Might as well use a teaspoon. Feisty when you are. Party,
Fun that sounds.
Fun that sounds.
Like, I wouldn't say you have a strong accent.
No, it's a bit mixed up, isn't it?
It might.
I've got like, because.
Maybe just because of, like, I've worked with you for too long now.
I know he said too long.
That I'm sort of getting used to it. Because when I first joined, I couldn't understand that.
No. Even well strong, isn't it?
Not just that, he speaks quite softly, doesn't he?
Mumbles.
Yeah, like.
What are you saying that? That was literally like, that used to do my nutting so much.
What, the only way is that?
Yeah. Oh, was you in the only way is Essex? Look at me. Do you really think I was in the only way is Essex?
Well, who's that geezer who was on I'm a Celeb and he was getting taught how to tell the time?
Oh, Joey Essex, isn't it?
Should forget what she was talking about.
And then you're just there for days.
You're funny when you do that.
Your brain just gets taken away, you know what I mean?
Yeah. And you're like, huh? What were we talking about? We are coming on to 1 ton of grit. Like, we still got a little bit left in that bag that Floki dropped the thingy on top. And then, yeah, that ton bag. Ginger, we've still got another ton and a bit.
Yeah.
And I'll get building this all before.
Yeah, just remind me. Well, give him a call.
Mango, coconut, lime chicken.
Nice.
Right. With
What, you cooked that?
yeah. And we didn't get food poisoning.
Mate,
I've just made like a cornerstone. Yeah. He didn't get food poisoning.
No.
Shame.
Start. What do you mean shame? I wouldn't have been here when you came over.
I like it when you get food poisoning. It's fine. How do you set an air fryer on fire?
I don't know.
Pardon?
I honestly don't know. So we've got a new Ninja one, like a 2-drawer one.
I've never had the drawer ones. I've got an air fryer, but it's a tower one, but it's like literally like a little mini oven. Well done, Harry Bo.
You know, like the Tommy Hill thing.
Hillfiger. Oh, don't start this.
Is it Hellfire?
Spell it.
I always
It is.
I always used to think it was called Tommy Hilfiger. Like I didn't realise it.
Finger.
Yeah, like finger. Cheers, mate.
You be what you want to be, Cam.
Appreciate that.
You do that to me all the time.
What did you say? Yeah.
You just say yeah just to shut me up. Oh, did you smell that? Did you see that, Cam? Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's like, yeah. They'll start talking about you like, huh?
Sometimes, mate.
Well,
I'm just gonna come